No, I'm saying that, I mean, masala means commercial. Commercial means the audience something that they like. If films are made, I think there's a great film coming out, or a good film, or a promising film coming out every weekend now. I don't know how people are finding the money to spend, but it can't be easy. People are not, so we have to compete. We have to make good films. I think Tishu has, in his nature, he has drama, he has a very interesting way of shooting, but he also has a slightly artistic side. And I think, we have to stop saying commercial, non-commercial. I mean, it's just a good movie. And I think it's a fun movie. And that's what we're offering you. So, I mean, I hope you like it.
Saif, do you feel so that your role would be compared to the one which you had done in Omkara? As you said, like, apne villainish.
No, I understand that. A lot of people have been talking about that the last 2-3 days to me. I think maybe that's the only other role that's kind of about UP, or the only other role with an accent, or the other role that's a little more grounded or a little more dehati. Normally, I guess I play urban characters, slightly westernized characters. But this is very different. That is a villain and an unappealing looking person. And the idea is to kind of disturb you or disgust you. And it's also Shakespeare, so it's a different world. This is a hero somewhat, so it's designed to attract you, to entertain you, and to charm you. So they're very different roles in that way, but they're both concerned with the heartland. I'm happy that I've learned enough about my job that I'm able to play a role that comes from the interior of my country. So that makes me very happy. In the hands of such a capable director, I felt very comfortable.
Sonakshi, how are you balancing yourself between Rajkumar and Raja?
It's really not rocket science. It's very easy because you're present with the concerned people for the particular film that you're promoting. So I think I'm managing fairly well, if I would say so myself.
Last time you were promoting, like,
Ranveer
was there, एक जगह Imran था, इस बार Saif is there, यहाँ पर, तो last time that comparison was.
Now if you'll compare, then don't compare, no?
One question to Mr. Pal. We know the song, very famous song, as we all love, Tamanche Pe Disco, is actually shot in the Sansui Club. Any reason for this association?
See, if you see platform, getting associated in previous instances also, we have got associated with some really good shows which have been music oriented. And this was one good song. And the first look, it was, you can actually fall in love with it. So peppy, so good.
Bengali girl, what did you find struggling? Apart from your character was Bengali girl that you're playing in this film, what did you find challenging?
Well, I have a few Bengali dialogues which I had to say in the film. I don't speak the language, but I managed because we had a few Bengali ADs on set who helped me out. And yeah, I think I understood how I was supposed to say them fairly well, and well, I gave it my best. So I did find that a bit challenging, yeah, the language.
Action but no violence. How do you differentiate those parameters? What is action, what is violence?
No, I mean, when I say violence, I mean, the things that sometimes cross the line. There's too much blood. It kind of disturbs you. It makes you feel not comfortable when you see it. There's just too much of it. This kind of thing is kind of, it's cool. It's fun. I mean, it's like when we were boys, we used to watch westerns. We used to watch gunfights. We used to watch people punching. Some of the shots are also taken in the way how Amit Ji used to punch somebody. You didn't think so much about the punch, but just the whole action of it was graceful. It was kind of entertaining to watch. There's too much violence in the world today, but the video games that kids are playing, the kind of disturbing content on the internet. So please, what we make in films is really nothing in comparison. But we wanted it to be something that won't make you uncomfortable. It's not only sex that makes you uncomfortable. Also, too much violence can be a bit much as well. So we want this to be a film that you can enjoy with your family. I just want to take this opportunity to say that, I think Tigmanshu's made a great movie, a really fun film. All these guys here have played amazing roles. we're lucky to have talented actors. There's Chunky, Ravi, Gulshan Ji. I mean, Tishu's written phenomenal little parts, you know, for all people in this film. So I think it's a really colorful enterprise that we all had a lot of fun making, and I hope you enjoy watching.
Tigmanshu, are the characters here? Are the characters inspired by some real life politicians or some other celebs?
I can't pick one. There are many.
Would you like to name them?
No, I don't want to name them. See, while I was growing up in Allahabad, we used to hear these colorful stories about UP gangsters. And Bullet Raja is a mixture of many such gangsters. Gangsters, when I say colorful, meaning they were very chivalrous, very adventurous. They had values. So Bullet Raja is a mix of many such characters.
You say values. Do you think our politicians have lot of values?
I said gangsters. I never said politicians.
Okay. Okay, Saif, one question to you. You said when y'all were youngsters, like usually boys do bash up. When did you bash up? And how hard did you bash and who it was? Was it in school? Was it a male or a female?
It was in a well-known restaurant sometime. No, sorry. I would never bash a female. I don't think it's a very good idea to bash anybody. It's a terrible thing to do. And what I meant was when you're kids, you watch like Bruce Lee movies. I mean, when kids are growing up today, they read comic books. Action is such a big part of entertainment in life. I mean, I don't know. I don't make the rules. But films celebrate things like violence sometimes. And that's why I'm trying to differentiate between action and violence. Like when you think of Bruce Lee fighting, you don't think of violence. You think of like poetry in motion. You think of grace. You think of fitness, you know. If you think of any good action movies, you don't think of blood and disturbing stuff. You think of like heroes like Clint Eastwood, you know. So that's our attempt to try and do an action movie, not a violent movie.
Hello.
I just want to elaborate on this. See, it's not about you liking violence. You like the attitude. While growing up, when हमारी जैसे हिंदी की किताब थी, हिंदी की किताब पढ़ते थे, उसमें जो भगत सिंह की फोटो अच्छी लगती थी, चंद्रशेखर आजाद की फोटो अच्छी लगती थी, बाकी बड़े जितने महान लोग हैं उनकी फोटो इतनी अच्छी लगती नहीं थी, क्योंकि उनकी तस्वीर में एक एटीट्यूड था. बात यही है. While growing up, you watch Bruce Lee, you watch so many Western films, you watch all those war films, and you like that attitude of those heroes. वहीं से सब कुछ हमारा इंटरेस्ट एक्शन मूवीज और इस तरह कैरेक्टर्स को डिबेट करने का, it stems from there.
Saif,